My name is Reverend Dr. Barry King, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about healing today. I've been doing healing now with people for over 40 years, and it's a wonderful thing to do. And over the years, I've learned and experienced many different modalities. And one of the things I've learned is that all healing modalities are fundamentally the same. They use the same energy, the same intention, the same power of mind. Reiki, quantum healing, intuitive healing, energy medicine, prayer. They are all simply different doorways into the same universal consciousness, into the same form of manifestation. The rituals differ, but the language itself, even though changed, is identical. Healing takes place through intention, belief, and connection to the divine field, to the divine consciousness. The healer is not the source of healing. The healer is the catalyst, the amplifier, the vehicle through which the alignment can flow, the energy can move. When universal consciousness flows, it heals. A crystal does not heal you. It strengthens your belief. It amplifies your intention. But the power remains in consciousness, in the mind. The mind's power to shape the body and shape our sense of wellness is profound. There is a well-known case of a woman with multiple personalities, each personality displaying different physical conditions and traits. One personality was diabetic, most weren't. One had an astigmatism, another had perfect vision. One showed injection marks on her arms from being a drug addict, which she, of course, wasn't. But those marks appeared and disappeared depending on which personality was present. One personality had blue eyes, while all the others had brown eyes. Her eye color changed in mere minutes when the personality with the blue eyes came in. This is not fiction. It is documented scientific fact. The body reflects the mind that inhabits it. The consciousness, the beliefs that are manifested through mind. This is why spontaneous healing is possible. This is why illness can vanish without explanation. This is why miracles occur. Not because they break the laws of reality or God smiles kindly upon us, but because they reveal, they express the true laws of reality, that we are an expression of consciousness, that the world is an illusion.